If I had to describe 2013 in just one word, it would be challenging. In particular, the 30th of July wasn't easy to handle. It's with good reason that this day is often called the Black Tuesday of the worldwide potash industry. All competitors have noticed the consequences that this day had on the price development of the global potash markets, including us. But when looking back to 2013, let's not forget the tragic carbon dioxide discharge that happened at the Unterbreizbach mine. This accident cost the lives of 3 of our colleagues and brought production to a halt for many weeks. But these are the numbers for 2013. The good news? Our revenues reached 3.9 billion euros, the same high level of the previous year. The not so good news? Operating earnings decreased significantly to about 656 million euros, in particular due to the erosion of potash prices. Nevertheless, the K+S Group once again proved that we are able to cope with changes, both operationally and strategically, in order to secure long-term success. Therefore, I want to thank our more than 14,000 employees for their once again outstanding contributions. With our proposal to pay a dividend of 25 cents per share, we are significantly deviating from our long-term dividend policy. As a matter of course, if you only take the year 2013 into consideration, simply mathematically, a higher dividend would be appropriate. But in the current situation, we have to take a clear look to the future. Big challenges lie ahead. The uncertainties in the potash market are not yet over, and we have to stem considerable capital expenditures for creating the conditions for further growth of our group. This especially pertains to our important Legacy Projekt. To strengthen our earnings power, we have initiated the Fit for the Future program. Through this, we aim to substantially increase the competitiveness of the K+S Group. Fit for the Future will demand a lot from our company and our employees. Our bond investors have also demonstrated their huge confidence in K+S by subscribing 1.5 billion euros within the last 2 years. By approving our dividend proposal, our shareholders would also contribute to the future growth of the K+S Group, from which all would benefit. Our aim is clear: to return to our basic dividend policy as soon as possible. A payout ratio of 40 to 50% of the adjusted group earnings after taxes. We have initiated Fit for the Future in November 2013. Remember, this year we expect a cost reduction of a good 150 million euros, and by the end of 2016, a total amount in the magnitude of 500 million euros. Fit for the Future is more than just a savings program. Of course, we want to cut costs and limit cost increases where cuts are not possible. But we also see potential for greater efficiency in the cooperation within and between our operating and administrative areas. This is why we are working on improvements in structures and processes simultaneously. The first month of intense project work has shown we are right on track. We are implementing the details step by step, and a fair portion of the cost reductions planned for this year is already backed up by feasible ideas. In the area of extraction and production, we will optimize our maintenance intervals. In sales and along the value chain, we want to design the order processes more efficiently. In North America, we will streamline our logistics networks, and our administrative units will bundle cross-divisional functions. Why are all these measures so important? We want to sustainably increase our company value. This complies not only with our investors' expectations, but also with our understanding of a growth-oriented economic enterprise. The construction of our new potash plant in Canada is on schedule. Last fall, we have finalized the so-called basic engineering, which is the comprehensive technical engineering plan of the plant. As a result, 2 cornerstones of the project were confirmed. We continue to expect that the plant will be commissioned in the summer of 2016 and to calculate total cost at 4.1 billion Canadian dollars. Each day, one can observe the construction site's progress. Within the last months, we have built additional facilities and steel structures, and we have made excellent progress with the build-up of the caverns. A few weeks ago, we completed a test cavern at a depth of 1500 meters, which extracts potash brine solution. An additional 36 production caverns will be ready for operation in the summer of 2016. Legacy will demonstrate its advantages in the foreseeable future. The global potash market is growing and, thanks to Legacy, K+S will be part of this growth. If 2013 was a challenging year, then 2014 might well be even more challenging. In our potash and magnesium products business unit, we started the new year from a tangibly lower price basis as in 2013. In our salt business unit, the sales volume should once again reach the high level of the previous year, but prices are also under pressure, and not just for the icing salt. Therefore, K+S Group revenues are expected to be moderately lower compared to 2013, and our EBIT1 operating earnings are forecasted to decrease significantly. Nevertheless, we can continue to be confident. The K+S Group operates economically on a solid basis. We are a robust company with a clear focus and the right strategy.